Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Now we will continue with continuity equation problems. In that problem 2, we will take a problem from GATE XE 2018. The problem reads as follows. In a two-dimensional incompressible irrotational flow, the velocity v in the y direction is given by v is equal to 2x minus 5y. The velocity u in the x direction is, there are four options which is given. Let us solve this problem. Now, since it is a two-dimensional flow, I can write continuity equation as dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. This implies my dou u by dou x is actually equal to minus dou v by dou y. This will imply that my dou u by dou x is equal to minus of dou v by dou x. From here we can take it is minus 5, and since that is the case, we get dou u by dou x as 5 plus 5. Now let us integrate this. This is a partial differential equation we have to understand. So since it's a partial differentiation, I can write u is equal to 5x plus some function of y. What is that function? We have to find out. How can we find out that? We can find out by knowing that it is a irrotational flow. So what is rotationality first of all? If I say it, since it is a xy plane, I can say rotation with respect to z axis. That is equal to half into dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y. This implies my dou u by dou y is actually equal to dou v by dou x. Let us see what is dou v by dou x here. Dou v by dou x will come as 2. So dou u by dou y is equal to 2. So my u is equal to 2y plus some function of x. Now when we compare this u and this u, we can get the equation for u can be equal to 5x plus 2y. So the answer for this is C. Thank you very much, students.